we go.
Hey guys, Eric here. Getting the Camaro up on the lift to put on the MBRP exhaust. Here at Boulevard Mufflers in Belmont, North Carolina. So, let's take a look at what we're gonna do. Alright guys, so we're up under the Camaro here. You see what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut. Let's see if I can get a better angle. First we're gonna take out the valves on either side. Then we're gonna cut right behind the axle there. Right there. And then take this whole factory system off and drop in the new parts. Oh, and one thing I wanted to show you guys, maybe later we'll take out these resonators. You see the O2 sensors are there. There's the main cats on either side, O2 sensors. And then we'll see how it sounds before we cut these out. It might sound good enough the way I like it without doing that. So I don't know if you guys can see this. There's a little plug back in there. See if I can get it to focus on it. There it is.
We might have to be able to drop it to be able to get to it. Sometimes they're tricky. It's all
Yeah, I got the clip undone. I got the other side. But you gotta unplug both on that side and this side back here. I got that one. Well, so you guys can see where we're gonna cut. We're gonna cut right about there. Right behind the back axle.
right.
There's one side.
Okay, this is tricky.
Yeah, I want to catch anything. Okay guys, there's the old muffler off. It's kind of a bear to get out of there, but best tip I have for you is unplug that side, the driver's side, because it's easier to get to. And then drop down the muffler assembly and all once you make the cuts. And then you can unplug that side. See guys, we're just putting on, there's two pieces besides the tips. First piece has the resonator on it.
It isn't right here at all.
Is that one maybe the other side?
I think so.
Yep. That one goes probably this way. Let's see here. Yeah, there we go. That'll line up.
When I do it once, when you do it twice. That's that little flat spot in the pipe I was worried about there. But since we cut it deep,
Yeah, it's got plenty to grab onto.
Seal, right. Okay.
And that hanger will move around a little bit.
Oh yeah,
Nice.
I got quite a bit.
So you guys see there into the hanger.
Level. Yeah. All right.
Nice.
Stick something on the index a little bit.
This one goes on that one. So we already put that other one together. So you can see there just the two parts.
This is going to be the fun part, getting this all together.
I'm gonna go ahead and slide a clamp on the end of that one.
Yeah, if I can get this one in there, it's all.
It's coming.
A little penetrating hole, which is nice stuff.
Did they not provide any?
No. Maybe not move.
It'll work its way in there. There we go.
This is going to be fun. Let's see how it clamps or look comes the best. Just like that.
So the move is definitely to assemble the two pieces before you put it on the car. Don't try to put the back half on and then the front half on. So we just took the whole piece. You see there's a piece there and a piece over there on the bench. Put those two pieces together and then fit it to the exhaust pipe. Alright guys, so you can see we got that clamp tightened, that clamp tightened on that side, the tips line up. Let's take a look at the front and back. See the tips pretty well line up right there. Sticks out just past the bumper. So does this one, just past the bumper. Still got a little adjustment to do.
Line those tips up, make sure they're where they're at.
Alright guys, so we got everything lined up. Tips look lined up to me. This one's sitting a little lower, but you're really not going to notice much. It might have some play in it still. Looks pretty even. Pretty symmetrical. I had a bear of a time getting that clamp loose. So there we go. Now we just got to put the tips on. We'll be done. We are done. You see the exhaust on there? We'll give her a start up in a second. First start up. Whoa! That's a big difference. Alright, we'll get a driving video here in a minute. Alright guys, so here's a video. We'll go outside the car. That sounds so much better. And this guy was so nice, I cannot recommend Boulevard exhaust or Boulevard mufflers more. He tried to tell me to just pay him $20. We're not going to do that. I'm going to give him $100 for helping me get this exhaust on. So I'm going to run and get some money at the ATM. You guys, thank you guys for watching. And we'll get some better videos going down the road at some other point. We're kind of in the city here. I don't know if you guys can tell. I don't want to really act too stupid. But we'll drive it around, let it warm up, make sure there's no leaks or ticks, no rattles especially. Okay guys, I came home and got the GoPro because it's really hard to drive a manual and hold my phone and film. So let me, we'll get the windows down.
Testing.
Now this is a warm start. You can tell a lot different. Even with the windows up, it sounds really good. So we'll do a quick driving video just so you guys can hear. I'll do windows up and windows down when I find a good spot. Actually, I just realized it sounds really good just going low speed, so you can hear a lot more pops, or maybe the same amount of pops, just hear more of them. And this is with windows up. Put the windows down for a second. I'm not gonna get on it too much in my neighborhood, but a lot more sound. And they'll do windows up. So it's still loud even with the windows up. I actually think it sounds better with the windows up. You get less resonance coming in the car.
won't be able to plug my ears.
Nope.
Oh no.